Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be getting one of my boxes for my series of the next. You may not know this, but I have been doing price range boxes series, and so over the last couple months I was doing under $20, and I have finished those. I'm just waiting to do the side by side on that to for something from the Witch's Altar that never came. So I'm waiting for that last item for a little while longer. I might not wait that much longer. It's kind of been a while. So the next step was $20 to $29.99. So basically just under $30. And so this is a box from the Magickal Earth. One of two that are $29.99. And this one, oh Lord. I hate ripping it. Is their bath box, which I have never gotten. I used to get their premium box a while ago and I decided to take a break, but I've never gotten their bath box, so I'm super interested in that. Let's check it out. I will look at the insert last as always. So what do we got here? We got mango sea salt spray. Let me smell it. Ooh, it does smell like fresh mango. We've got a bath bomb, a mango flower bath bomb. We've got a piece of selenite here. Selenite, nice little wand. We've got coconut lime Epsom salt. Yum. That sounds delicious. Very tropical. And then we have endless summer spray. Looks like it's aloe vera juice with mango seed butter, coconut oil, alcohol, lime peel. Let's see what it does. Ooh, it smells good. I like this. It's like really tangy and sour smell. I love, like, not sour like but like lime, very citrusy, zingy, zesty. How about that? Okay, this box is filled with the smells of a beautiful sunny day. I would definitely say that. The Epsom salt with coconut lime. Yum. The mango sea salt spray. Spray on your hair to deliver a casual, pretty tousled look. A warm beach feel wherever you are. Cool. The face and body spray. Hydrating and invigorating for dry, tired skin. Perfect for summer memories. Ooh, smells great. Selenite air purifier for your home. Please do not get this wet. And I didn't mention the bath bomb, but this is the bath bomb mango flower. So that's very cool. I definitely like this. I don't know if I would say this is a magical box, which is my own fault. I assumed that since it was the same company, it would be like magical bath products. And I mean, you can, with the ingredients, you can totally do magic if you wanted to with it. It just doesn't seem to be the primary message of this box, which is totally fine. I mean, this is a really nice, unique items. I haven't gotten these kind of items in my other boxes in the past, and just like, so very cool. This is the Magickal Earth bath box. Comes with lots of goodies for your baths / personal care time. So definitely I will leave the information in the link below and you can check it out. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good day.